So I'm here in this house skimming walls, and I just thought to myself, can I skim this wall behind me in 10 minutes or under 10 minutes? So I thought, let's chuck a camera on my head and see how we go. I've started skimming this room. I've got pretty much one wall left that had wallpaper on. It's been removed. All the joints were cracked. I've retaped them, flushed them out, and I'm pretty much, they've all been sanded and re-screwed, etc. And it's ready for skimming, so I'm going to skim this wall now. Let's see if I can drop no plaster and do it in under 10 minutes. The time is 2:32 and a half, just in case. All right. Oh no, I dropped a bit. Bummer. Time check. Oh, 2:35. Dropped that bit because I was trying to look at my watch, which I wouldn't normally do, so that doesn't count. Alright, let's put that down. What do we got? 239 on the dot. So, I said 232 and a half. Pretty good, under 10 minutes. That was really 6.5 minutes. Is that right? Yeah. 6.5 minutes to skim that wall. Pretty good too in the light. So once that's dry, that'll get a sand and a paint and should be like brand new. Whew. That's how I skim a wall in under 10 minutes. Puffing a little bit there. I don't normally work that fast, but yeah, that was pretty good. Hopefully you knew what was going to happen. Due to the length of this video, you would have seen in the bottom of your corner there it was under 10 minutes. So yes, I did skim a wall at under 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.